Hello to all our clients in the Maldives. Now, this is the series that we bring you information about hair loss and its treatments. Now, common question we get asked is if you wear a cap or a hat, will that accelerate your hair loss? Now, this is part of a broader question about the causes of hair loss. Hair loss in men is generally due to a hormone called DHT. This is dihydrotestosterone. This is part of our male hormones. And this will cause accelerated hair loss in people who have a genetic susceptibility to hair loss. So you have to have a larger number of receptors, antenna for this hormone on the top hair. And if that's the case, you will start to lose hair at a young age, and your hair loss will continue and you will go bald. And the more receptors you have, the more bald you get. The hair loss generally starts in the front area or the middle in the crown, and then it will progress on the top area. What actually happens is the hair becomes thinner, the growth becomes less, so the hair gets thinner, shorter, and becomes what we call a vellus hair. So you start off with a thick terminal hair, then you become a vellus hair, and then the hair will not grow, and then that's when you're bald. So blocking DHT is the most important thing. For that, there is a medicine now called topical finasteride. It's very safe. And it gives excellent results. It really controls hair loss. So if you want more information about that, feel free to message us. The other thing is, of course, wearing caps. Now, there is no research to show that cap use will cause hair loss. But in our clinical experience, we know that people who wear helmets and caps have an increased rate of hair loss. So although it doesn't cause hair loss, it does seem to increase the speed of hair loss. So it's a contributing factor. The other thing, of course, is certain cosmetics. They do accelerate the hair loss, and it's not that they're the main cause. Again, they do just increase the speed of your hair loss. But what can you do to stop hair loss? Well, like I said, you can use the topical finasteride, which is an excellent medicine. But on top of that, avoiding using caps regularly, avoiding helmets as much as possible. And the other thing is, of course, having a good diet. Now, if you eat 2 eggs a day, and eggs contain all the necessary nutrients for hair growth, this is very sufficient for your hair growth. So, just a few things to do, and if you want to do those things, it will maintain your hair.